Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for Love of Beauty. I want to show you guys something that I have found around the house. Okay, I have found Vapor, which is Vicks VaporRub. And this one also a non-brand Vicks VaporRub. Non-brand. Non-brand work just as better too with the Vicks VaporRub. Now, I'm sorry you guys, I am sniffing in the background. I've been coughing out, sneezing all day. I'm feeling don't feel well. And plus I have to go to work tomorrow morning. So, what I am going to do, what I have been hearing, and I tried this before, I rubbed VaporRub on my feet and cover my feet with white socks. It's best to use white socks because you don't want no color socks, with the dye that's in your socks. So just get pure white socks. So what you're going to do is you're going to rub VaporRub all on your feet, the bottom of your feet, between your toes, around your ankles, and then you're going to cover your feet up with the socks. After you do that, put a little VaporRub on your chest. So when you wake up in the morning, you're going to cough all that mucus up. You will stop coughing. I've tried it before. So I thought about it tonight. I said, let me get this VaporRub, and I am going to rub the bottom of my feet. Okay, you guys, I'm so glad I had this around the house. I have two. I have the brand, and I have the non-brand. The non-brand will work better, too. So what I am going to do, I'm going to rub it on my feet. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, Vicks VaporRub. Now, Vicks VaporRub has three main ingredients, which is called eucalyptus, menthol, and camphor. So those are the three main ingredients. Okay, now let me rub this on my feet. Okay. You can use VaporRub on your feet, your chest. You can use VaporRub on your stretch marks. You can use VaporRubs on your acne, bumps, the one that you can't match or come to a head. It's just right up under the skin and it becomes painful and sore. So place a little VaporRub on that, and by morning it'll begin to disappear. And then also, if you want to cry, to be an actress or an actor, you want to make yourself cry, use a little VaporRub up under your eye, and it will develop tears from the menthol. So be sure to watch her channel, Jewelsycakes. Jewelsycakes. And also, VaporRub is good for your pets. If they're scratching on your furniture, rub a little VaporRub in that area. It also good for ticks and flea bites, spider bites. Use a little there. I think that's all that I pretty much can come up with, but be sure to go to her channel, which it is called Jewelsycakes. 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 surprising uses for Vicks VaporRub. Okay, you guys, my feet is covered now with white socks. And I am also going to rub some on my chest. So you guys pray for me that I will feel much better. Because I do not want to get sick. I don't like getting sick because I take care of the sick. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned and be blessed. I love you guys. Bye-bye.